All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500. It's beautiful white with black vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. This particular car has 23,000 miles. The tires on this guy is snow tires, so it's got these little like beads in them. It's pretty dope. Here's your front bumper. Very nice. I don't see problems here. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel, and as you can see, it has these tires. These tires, man. Look at all the curbing. I mean, all the thread on that. Perfect. Check it out. Tire thread is up 10-30 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a dent here with some paint off. The rest of the quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Check out your tire thread, which is 13-30 seconds. And again, it is a snow tire. Coming around, this looks good. Got power windows, power door locks. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does have does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your like cup holders and stuff like that here. That's about it. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have 23,178 and no lights on. Everything looks good. All looks good. I got your owner's manuals up there. Check it out, your roof. I'll get a ladder because I look retarded trying to get up there. Coming around. These doors look good. They do swing out all the way. Boom. All the way. This one looks good. This is what your rear trunk space looks like. Very nice. Very nice. Some scratches and stuff like that. It's typical. Brand new, this car. Look pretty good here in this quarter. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread here is at 13-30 seconds. This sliding door looks good. This is what your side compartment looks like. Very nice. Pow! It's good. This door looks good. Your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel looks good. Your tire thread is at 8-30 seconds, and again, you got your snow tires there. Let's see, lights are working. Everything is working. I see a dent on the roof right there. We're gonna get a ladder. All right, folks, and we're back. It does have a dent here. See, 3, 6, I don't know, about 6-7 inches right there. See if we can see it from over here. It seems to be just on this light here. That's about it for the rest of the roof. Put one more up here. Yeah. That seems to pretty much be it. Just on this one, which is the second one from the driver's side. Boom. 1, 2. That's the one. All right, guys. Just showing you everything. All right. All right. All right. But the lights are on. Things are working. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 23,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.